Now, do you see that down there? I have nothing in the way. And it's literally pushing it apart. Oh shit, something appeared down there. Maybe the light just hit something metal on it. They're literally cracking this shit open. One hand, two hands. Look, this happened. I just fucking shut it perfectly, too. And they popped it open like this. There's no fucking chance. Oh shit. Did he open it right in front of me? A finger just appeared and it's pushing it. Pulling it wherever. Zoom my camera. I did that. It's getting pushed again. It's even narrowed. You see that? Anyways, it's not me. I'm not doing shit. Leave me the hell alone. Oh yeah, it changes to green. This is daylight. Just did that right in front of me because he took it back this morning. Changing the window. He's closing the window. It's opening. Push, 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 push. Okay, push. Big push. I keep zooming because things are happening. Wow. Damn. That is big movement. Holy cow. He waved. I don't know if you just saw it. I could see the air move. There he goes again. I don't know if you could see it. I looked at the screen. I didn't see it. You can see it keeps opening. Much bigger push. Pretty steady. I should be making hell of money on YouTube with these videos. I ain't doing shit. Let me turn around. It's me. I ain't doing nothing. It's changed so much. That actual window and it's open changed. The whole frame of it got thicker. The inside part. Alright, my neck hurts.